The Fluro block ink, like the other water-based inks, you do need to work them a little bit to get them nice and even on the plate to get a nice even finish. You need to move reasonably quickly. They're water-based, they will tend to dry quite quickly, certainly much more quickly than what oil-based inks will dry. So we've got these Fluro block inks. Unlike the standard colours, the Fluro inks feel more like a paint. They're not quite as tacky as the standard colours, but you still need to get them nice and even, and maybe lift your brayer as you go so that it does tend to roll rather than just slide on the inking plate. So if you find that ink is sliding, you can just leave it to dry just a little bit. Give it a few minutes and it will start to tack off a little bit. And as with the colours, make sure that the finish is nice and even right across the whole plate. If it's not even on the plate, you won't get an even print. You need to be careful not to put too much ink on the plate. This will lead to bleeding and filling in the areas that you've cut out. Now, while it's still wet, the colour will still be a little bit translucent, but it will dry reasonably opaque for a fluorescent anyway, once it dries. So that's printing with fluorescent block inks.